Here's how to turn off repost button on Instagram. So the first thing that you're going to do is to open your Instagram account, and then as you scroll, you will see there that in every post there is a repost button. So as you can see, when you repost, it will automatically seen on your wall. What you need to do is go to your profile and then click on the three-line button that you can see at the upper right, and then scroll down until you see there the sharing options. Now, once you have already see the sharing options, click on that and then turn off everything that has been including with the shares or repost. Afterwards, you can now go ahead and go back to your settings and security and edit some of the figures that you wanted to actually show on your Instagram account. Once you're already settled, you can now go ahead and use your Instagram account once again without seeing the sharing button or repost button on your Instagram account.